Wow. Wow. Zing! Amazing budget cinnamon banana muffins. So you can just place them on your plate. Well, it's so good. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caroline. If you're new here, welcome. And on this amazing episode, I'm going to show you how I make my delicious cinnamon banana muffins. It's a very easy bite for you to make for your family on a Sunday morning. So let's get started. If you've not subscribed to my channel, subscribe, give me that like. Also share this video. Yes. Let's get started, guys. With a few very basic kitchen ingredients, let me show you what you use. You make the best cake banana muffins for your family. So for your flour, you need 3 cups of flour, and then you need 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a half teaspoon of salt. Of course, you need some vanilla extract, maybe 1 tablespoon, 1 cup of melted butter. You need some milk, and of course your bananas. You can have 3 or 4 bananas, and you have 2 eggs. And to spice it up, of course, some cinnamon and some chocolate. Lastly, some raisins. The first thing we're going to do to get started is to mix our dry ingredient first, and then we mix our wet ingredients, and then we're gonna fold them together, and that's it, ready to go to the oven. Yes, banana muffins are my favorite because they're so buttery and they're so sweet. So first of all, we're going to mix our dry ingredients first. Gonna mix that with the sugar. Then this is so you can whisk it so that it mixes thoroughly. So I'm gonna put this aside. Make sure your banana is really ripe. And this is so easy for your kids to prepare together. So here are your bananas. So what you're going to do is mash them. Just mash them together. Look at these, our bananas will look like this. Look at that, looks amazing. So next we're going to add into the mixture our eggs. And next we're going to add in our melted butter. actually use a blender to do this, but for the muffins I prefer you use the whisk. And then I've added a bit of nutmeg. Look at this. I've added a bit of nutmeg, this one, to the mixture. So we're gonna just whisk in that. You can put it together. You can prefer folding it in, it's okay, or whisking together. You can do that. And then you can gently add your milk. When it becomes hard to mix, just add in the milk. Lumps are okay, you don't have to worry about that, they're fine. Lumps are okay. Look at that, so easy to make. In 20 minutes you have your muffins ready. Look at that. So we're gonna put in our fold them in. Look at that. You can add in just a bit of vanilla extract on it for the essence. Just fold it in. And then your butter is ready. Look at that. Look at that. It can be runny, it can be like this, but this is okay. Look at that. So we're going to put this in our baking tins. Yes, this is so exciting. So your butter is smooth. Look at that. So my kids love chocolate. So what I do is I just grate a few. I always put some chocolate in the mix. So what I have here is some muffin tins, paper tins. Look at that. So what I do is I line them on my baking tin. Just line them up. We're going to pour our butter on them. So you can use a spoon. Put like 3/4. Don't put a lot. So you can do 1 scoop per muffin. So we're gonna do this for all of the tins. Look at that, amazing. This is what we have. So more chocolate for you. So we're gonna sprinkle some on top of each. Some awesome, yummy, delicious chocolate, banana, cinnamon muffins for you and your family. Look at that. So we're gonna wipe some of this off as we put it in the oven. So here we are. So you would have preheated your oven at 180 degrees before that. So we're gonna put this for 20 minutes and they are ready. So our oven is ready. We're gonna put this carefully inside there. Look at that. And in 20 minutes our muffin will be ready. So if you have your loved one there, or you want to do it with your lover, your best friend, this is the best cakes for you to do this. After 20 minutes, let's get to see our muffins. Look at that, guys. Wow, look at that. Amazing. Look at that. Wow, 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 wow. This is amazing. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Look at that. So amazing. Looks amazing. Look at that. So you can just place them on your plate. You can see the chocolate chips on top. It goes well. It goes so well. And your family will love, love, love this. Look at that. Amazing. Amazing butter, cinnamon, banana muffins. I'm gonna have a taste as usual. Look at that. Whoa, I love the way it's so easy to come from the paper. Look at that. So you can let it rest for a while if you don't want to take it too hot, and you can eat this with your family for tea, for snacks. You can also eat it with the juice. You can have juice on the side. It's just so amazing. On that picnic date with your loved one, you can do this. You can actually prepare this together and have it together. Look at the chocolate chips. So sweet. Look at that. The way it leaves the paper so well. Look at that. They're so good when they are so hot, but I'd advise you to let it cool for like 10 minutes before serving. And it's so sweet. The cinnamon taste gives it a kick. So delicious. So I hope you have enjoyed making this delicious banana muffins with me. If you loved my episode, please subscribe, give me that like, also share, and don't forget to leave a comment so that I know you watched my episode and you tried it out and how it turned out. So that's it from me, guys. Bye.